How to scan a QR code. The basic procedure: scroll your apps, tap on QR code and barcode scanner. If you don't have a scanning app, I'll show you how to get one at the end. Point your phone at the QR code, get the code within the frame, and it very quickly automatically reads the code and brings up the desired information, usually a website. The junk down below. I disregard the image of the scan down here as pointless. I disregard the ad in the middle here as just annoying. Basically, you only need to be concerned with the upper section of the screen. To open a site, you can open the site by tapping either here on this blue open arrow or here on the site URL. I prefer the site URL so that I don't get unwanted windows popping up. To get rid of a site, after you're finished looking at what you wanted to look at, you can close the site by various methods. You can tap on the three-dot icon, tap History, and X out the site. Or you can tap on this little square with a number inside it and then X out the site. I like to tap on the back button to get back to the original page, tap the three-dot icon at the upper right, and then tap the trash can at the top. That's the way I like to do it. Should you use your phone camera or download an app specifically for scanning? Most phones these days have a QR scanning app already installed. But if you don't have one, you can use your camera app to read a QR code. Scroll to your camera app, hold your phone close to the code, and tap this framing icon or whatever equivalent icon your phone has. Get the code carefully within the frame. Hold it steady for about 3 seconds. And that brings up the site. However, having a dedicated app for scanning is better because it scans more quickly and you don't have to hold the phone that close. For example, here's the Boston Celtics scan from the TV. Pretty quick and easy. Lastly, downloading a scanning app. This is how I installed my scanning app. I scroll to View All Apps. The Play Store. Search down here at the bottom. Search apps at the top. I tapped the phone mic and said QR code scanner. I tapped on this one here, the Gamma Play one. Install. It installs in just a few seconds. It shows up under View All Apps, and I moved it to my home list of apps. Personally, I hate phones. I try to have as little to do with them as possible. But QR codes and their applications are becoming more and more popular, and they are a good way to get information quickly. I hope this has been helpful. If navigating your Kindle has been aggravating you, you might want to check my tutorial on how to do that. Thanks for watching.